Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammed Shan and you're watching now my YouTube channel PK Skills. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can design and create a stunning website just like Udemy, Linda or anything that you can sell online courses. For example, I have recently designed this website for my client. So here you can see the course categories and courses and vendor instructor can sign up and course categories and student can sign up. If I review you course layout, so if you can here you can see the course layout and become an instructor page. So here you can see the instructor page, and when I click here for becoming an instructor, so instructor form show up and the instructor can apply, and then the instructor can post their own courses and earn money. So here you can see, if I want to enroll this course as a student, so I can also enroll in this course. So all of these steps I am going to show you step by step. You can easily design and develop a complete e-learning platform via this video. So keep watching this video. We are going to our first step for installing WordPress in our hosting account, and then we can start this course easily step by step. Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammed Shan and you are watching now my YouTube channel PK Skills. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install WordPress in your local host. For installing WordPress, first of all, you need to have a software like its name is XAMPP. So in Google, you just need to search for XAMPP download. So when you will search for XAMPP download, in first row of Google search results, you will have Apache server website. Here is the apachefriends.org. So just open this website and download the latest version of XAMPP. For example, here is the latest version of PHP 8.3, 8.3. So I recommend you for XAMPP, just download the MD5 shell version 64-bit or 34-bit. It depends upon your PC. After downloading it, I already have downloaded. So after downloading it, just install it on your PC, and then after installing, you will have this kind of icon. If I show you here, this kind of icon on your sidebar. So just click here, XAMPP control panel. After installing the XAMPP, just double click on that, and here you will see XAMPP will open in your browser. Let's open it, and here I open this. Yeah, here you can see. So first of all, after opening this, you just need to click on Apache start here and MySQL start here. So your local server will be started. Now after that, you need to go to Google again, and in Google you just search for WordPress.org. WordPress.org. Here in WordPress.org you can download WordPress latest version free of course. So just click here, get WordPress, and here you will be see latest version of WordPress 6.1 point something. So I have already downloaded it, so just click here and download this. Here download will be started, and this is saying that you already have this version, so I will not download it. Just download it and go back to your downloads and copy this file and here I will go into my documents where this is downloaded. Here you can see I have already downloaded. Just copy this file and go to your C drive. So just go to this PC and open your local drive C and search here for XAMPP. So here is XAMPP 2. You may have a WAMP or XAMPP only, so don't worry about this too. And open htdocs, and here is htdocs, and in this htdocs you need to write the name of your folder. So I will write the name of folder, any folder. I can name it WordPress for Udemy, or I will say just Udemy. Okay, here, and this folder is saved. So just open this folder, and in this folder I am going to paste this downloaded WordPress file. So here this file has been downloaded, and just extract this file here. So this file will be extracted here, and you can simply now install WordPress in your localhost. Here you can see, open this file, open this and select all, and just click here and cut this and just go back into Udemy, your folder, and paste. So all the files will be added on your main folder. So in Udemy, your WordPress file are added. Now go back to your browser and search for your desired folder, localhost / Udemy, that the folder you have recently created. So just access this folder now. Here you can see the setup has been continued. So just click on continue. Now the setup is recently created. So here you can see, welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know about following steps. So database name, database username. Okay, let's go. Click on let's go. Now in this step, we need to have a WordPress database. So for creating database, just click here and just write localhost. And when you will write localhost, just go to PHP myadmin. Here is the PHP myadmin. In the PHP myadmin, you can create your database. Here you can see the PHP myadmin is open. Just click on new. In the new, you can create a database. I will write the database name. You can write any name. I will just say Udemy and just click on create on. Yeah. In the database, you just need to write Udemy. Database has been created successfully. And database username, just click here and write root, because the database itself username is root. So password field should be empty. In the localhost, you can write also 1271 or localhost. It depends upon your you, but I recommend you to write 127.1.0. Yes, let's go. Now our setup is completed. You just need to click on submit and WordPress installation will be completed. So just I click on submit. All right, okay, run installation, and now everything is okay. WordPress the database is met, and yes, now you need to write the title of website. So I will write Udemy is the title of website. Username that you use for input the username as administrator for your WordPress. So I will write here is Sean, and the password I will write same, because I can remember, but you can use strong password. And here is I will write my email and just click on install WordPress. Let's see, the WordPress has been installed, and just click on login. Here I will write my username and password and just click on login. Now you can see WordPress has been installed and we are logging into the dashboard of the WordPress. Here you can see the dashboard of the WordPress, and new latest version of WordPress 6.1.1 is installed. Now we have a fresh WordPress installed in our localhost. First of all, for creating an LMS website, every time we need to choose a plugin to have its functionality, for example for classes, online courses, etc. For this purpose, there is a popular plugin called Tutor LMS. So we are going to install this plugin. So via Tutor LMS, we will be able to create online courses for our website. So we search here Tutor LMS here. So let's search. Within few seconds it will be in search results. Here you can see this is the Tutor LMS. So we simply install this plugin. So after installing this plugin, this functionality of online coursing in our website, in our WordPress, will be enabled. Here is the setup wizard for the Tutor LMS. So we just start this. Let's start. So there is asking for create an e-learning marketing phase. It means instructors can sign up or not. So instructor profile, it allows users to have instructor profile to showcase awards and completed courses. Yes, we need this. Allow users to have a student profile to showcase awarded completed courses. Yes, we need. And let's permalinks, just do not do anything, just click on next. Here is the course. So show instructor bio, yes. Question and answers, yes. And course rows for yes. And next. Here is the instructor. New sign up, yes. Allow instructor to sign up and earnings as well as, and click on next. Here is the payment. Payment is I accept is PayPal, e-check, bank transfer, and guest checkout is do not enable it. Just finish. Here you can see there is a notification, a membership turned on. Turned on, students and instructors will now be able to sign up. Please enable or setting journal and membership, yes. So for this we going to here setting, and here we need to go to monetization, and here is disabled. So there is disable monetization or select options, and enable revenue sharing or anything that we can, and just save changes. And another basic setting we need to do is go to settings and then click on journal. In journal we need to enable register users on our website. So here just click here and save changes. So if you do that, students and as well as instructors can now sign up our own website. So just go back into our Tutor LMS setup, and here you can see there are no courses. First of all, we do some basic settings in our Tutor LMS. So go to settings, and here is the dashboard page. Yes, this one is a dashboard page, and just go down and enable marketplace and click on yes. So if you enable marketplace, it means allow multiple instructor to upload their courses. So it means instructor can upload the courses. Allow instructor to publish courses, yes or not. It means if the instructor is allowed to post directly or admin should approve. Then become an instructor button, yes. In become an instructor button should be appear. And the courses, course visibility, student must be logged in to view course, yes. Course contents, allow instructors and admin to view course content without enrolling. It means instructor and admin can see the content course. That if we enable it, this will not be working. Then auto redirect course. When user use WooCommerce order due to completed, auto completed will be indirect enrolled courses. Oh, okay, we can say yes. And spotlight mode and auto course completed, and just go down and WP editor for lessons automatically load new courses, and just here is the preferred video sources. So just click here, add here, and YouTube videos, enable video shortcuts. I will let you know what is this. Just save changes and go down to the design, and it will be simple, and just go to advanced, and here Gutenberg, no, this do not open this courses archive, and then there is nothing to change anything. Another thing, upload an WooCommerce plugin to add the payment method into our Tutor LMS. For via adding WooCommerce, we will be able to get payments from students. So here search a WooCommerce here and install this plugin. Just click on activate plugin. Now official setup of WooCommerce has been started. So in country I select United States or any country that you have, but I am selecting United Kingdom as a country. So address I will write here, a dummy address I am putting here, and just click on continue, and just click on no thanks. Here they're asking for category, so just click on other, and just write here online, e-learning or e-learning platform, anything that you can write. Just click on continue. Product types, I will say downloads or physical products are customizable. I will just click on continue. Here I will say I'm setting a store for a client, and here I just add dummy details. Just click on continue. Add recommended business, just click on continue. As a theme, this one is currently I have my default theme, and I will go with them and continue with the activated theme. We are not activating any theme right now, but we will add a theme later. Now the WooCommerce has been installed. Let we connect our WooCommerce with Tutor LMS. So here just click on Tutor LMS and then click on settings. Here you can see click on monetization, and in the select e-commerce engine. For e-commerce engine, just click here and you can see here WooCommerce is available. So automatically complete orders, yes, and just go down and minimum withdrawal amount. Withdraw means if an instructor earn money, so how much amount they can a minimum amount that they earn, and request for withdrawal. Minimum days before balance 7 days, and enable withdrawal method PayPal or anything that. So for now we are adding PayPal. Just click on save changes. So save changes are done. Now we are going to add a course into our website. So for adding a course, there is a button for courses. Just click on add new. So this is a course title, so I will write here learn how to design an LMS website using WordPress or Tutor LMS. So this is the course title, for example, and write down here course details. I will write here this is the details of this course. Okay, and for details, for dummy details, I have a theme Edumall that we are going to install later on. So I will get some of details from. For dummy details, I'm getting dummy data from this dummy website. So that only for dummy purpose, not for professionalism. I am just adding dummy content for here, so that this course will look like a professional course or a complete course. So for dummy details, I will select a course from this website that I can put some of details. This text, just this text, and put here. So you can write down your details here about the course, and write down maximum students that you can handle. 0, if 0, it means unlimited. So I will write here 50 students per session I can handle. So here difficulty level, immediately all levels, beginners, experts. So I will set beginners. So is it public course? Make this course public. No enrollment required. If you make it public, so anyone can see this course without paying or enrollment. And I will say this is course is free or paid. I will say paid, and just select a product, and do not select any product. WooCommerce will add any new product. So in the topics, this is the main thing that you are going to add. In the topics, you can divide your course into topics. For example, our course title is Learn WordPress, or Learn how to design a LMS website using WordPress. So in steps, we are going to divide into steps. So here in the first step is installing Tutor LMS into WordPress. Okay, in this summary, I will write here you will learn about how to install Tutor LMS into WordPress. So here I will write down the topic is the installing Tutor LMS into WordPress. So I will add this topic into our course. So this is the first topic. In the topic, I will write the lessons. In the lessons, I will record the videos and upload videos. So in the lessons, first lessons is installing and and setup. Here setup. So setup tutor LMS. Here I will write down some of my content here. For example, I will add a dummy content here and just paste here and write down here. I can add my course lesson image here, or file. If I want to upload any file, I can also upload my file. If I want to upload a video, HTML5 video, YouTube video link, I can also do that. For example, I will add the YouTube video link. If I get any link from this website or not, I will go to YouTube and copy any video link. For an example, I will paste here, and this video will be visible in my lesson. So let's go into YouTube and copy any video, and here is my own video, how to install WordPress. So here I copy this video and paste this URL here. Okay, and here is this time of this video. So I will write the time of this video is 5 minutes, and just update lesson. This is the first lesson, and like that I can also add lesson number 2. So lesson number 2 will be installing WooCommerce, and installing WooCommerce and connect it with Tutor LMS. So now you can easily understand how the lessons can be added. So one by one you can add your lessons, you can add your videos or anything you want to add. So this is the very easy method. So here I will copy this video link and paste here for as an example. So add this, update this lesson. So two lessons, one topic has been added. So you can add more topics as following this step, and topics will be added. Here I will write down what you will learn. So I will write here WordPress installation, and I will write here Tutor LMS and LMS website design. You will learn that in this course. I will write down one by one in a lines. Targeted audience, I will write here targeted audience will be beginners and WordPress developers, and I will say designers. I will say. So total course duration, if you have videos have 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, so I will write here my course duration is 5 hours. So material included, I will write here all files and source data, and I will write here all themes and plugins. So these are file data that will be material included, requirements or instructions. So I will write here okay, I will write here keep watching all videos and timely respond to assignment. I will write there. Here is the course main video. Okay, so main video I will write here okay, YouTube video. So I will write the same URL as a dummy URL here. So all the completed things of a course has been added. Now we are going to add a course category. So I will add a course category. So I will say web development is the main category, and the second category I will say WordPress. So main category will be web development and second category will be WordPress. So it is in WordPress, the web development and WordPress. This is, so in tags you can write here WordPress, Tutor LMS. So any tags that you can use as a featured image, you can use your own featured image or your course featured image. So in downloads from okay, I will add this featured image as a dummy image. I am going to use this because this is a dummy course. So here I will add a featured image. Now our course is ready to publish. So now we are going to publish this course. Course has been published. You can see now if I click on view course button, so here you can see our course is live now. Here you can see this is the main video of the course, and here is the about course. And if I go down here, what you will learn: WordPress installation, Tutor LMS website design, and here is the first topic. If I go down here you can see this is the this is locked because I am not enrolled in this course. So this is the basic theme. You can see this is the basic layout of this website. We are going to update it into this layout, don't worry, but for now I am teaching you a basic things of Tutor LMS and basics of Tutor LMS, how you can install it, how you can add a course into the website. So if I want to add more tutors, or if any tutor want to, or if any instructor want to, teach on our website, so how an instructor can sign up on our website. So this is very easy. For just copy this instructor registration link and just go to a new browser. I will go to new browser, and here I will show you how an instructor can subscribe or register on our websites. This page also can be navigated into the pages, because when you install Tutor LMS, all the required pages will be added into our WordPress dashboard automatically. So you don't need to worry about this from where this instructor page has been created. So here you can see instructor registration form is here. This is a simple form. We can redesign it. We are going to design it into next few minutes. But now you can see how an instructor can register on our website. So this is the instructor registration page. I will write here first name. First name is, my name is M, and last name is Zishan. I am going to register here, and the username I will say ztelenor as a username, and here is my email. I will write down here as ztelenor 3 or 2. Okay, so I will write here password, and here is the password, and here is the register an instructor. So now an instructor is going to register on our website. When instructor will be registered, here you can, your application will be reviewed and results will be sent to you by email. Okay, and here if I go into my dashboard as an admin and go to the instructors, and here I will see an instructor request will be there. I may approve it or decline. Here you can see ztelenor and instructor have been applied on our website. So I will going to approve it. Approved, and now I have approved this one, and go back and refresh this, and again I will go to there you can see I am logged in. So I am automatically logged in, so don't worry about that because admin have approved my account. So I will go there and just search for dashboard. So this dashboard link will be added into our, here you can see this dashboard is here. So I can write here or click on dashboard. So dashboard, in dashboard page, here you can see I was wrong spelling here. In dashboard, this is instructor dashboard. Here I can, as an instructor, I can write down my courses, my profile views, and anything. If I have students enrolled courses, and reviews my courses, and etc. So here I will write down here, create a new course, and in the same way that I previously told you how a course can be created. So an instructor, in the same way, instructor can add a course into the website. So now you can see how this flow works. For example, I add a dummy course, so I will say this course is added by Z Telenor. Okay, so here I am going to add this course as a dummy. So I will write here beginners, and this is free course, and I will say WordPress, and I will add dummy content and just submit for view. So if I submit it, it will not publish on website. It will not publish on website, but it will go to the admin, and admin can approve this course or decline. So here you can see in the courses, I will see this course as a pending. Here you can see this is a pending course, so I can approve it or decline it. So I am going to pending. I do not want to publish it, so this will be in pending course. So now you understand how this works and how flow works. Now you will be worried about how a student can enroll. So student enrollment form is also there. You just go to your website or your pages. Into pages there is a form, say student registration. So student registration form is there. You can just copy this. Here you is saying student registration, you are already logged in, so just go back and log out. I am going to log out and applying as a student. So here I will write down here, and I am going to show you student registration form. Here is the student registration form. In the same way, student can register and enroll in the courses and in your website. So this is the simple way and standard way. Now we are going to change the look of our website. If you see, our website is not a very well designed, so we're designing it. We are using an Edumall WordPress theme. So if after installing this theme, we will be able to see courses into this layout. So for installing this theme, I have already uploaded this theme files and required data into my YouTube description. So from description you can download all the data and files. And now I am going to install a theme into my WordPress. So for installing a theme into WordPress, I am going back to my theme, and here I am saying Edumall tag, and here is this one is a theme. So I am going to copy this folder and this theme folder, go back to C drive and XAMPP folder and my htdocs, and htdocs my WordPress is in Udemy, and Udemy in WP content, and here is the themes. I am going to paste this theme here. This theme will be pasted in few seconds, as well as we are going to add the plugins into my plugins folder as well as. So in plugins, for plugins I am going to back plugins, and here are some of required plugins. Just copy these plugins folders and go back into the same way as themes, but in plugins folder. So in plugins folder I will paste my plugins that I have copied. So it will take few seconds or few minutes to pasting all the files. It depends upon your PC speed. Now you can see our plugins are added as well as our theme is added into our dashboard. So go back into our WordPress dashboard and click on appearance and then click on themes. So when you will click here, theme will be available here to activate. So we can simply activate theme. Here you can see Edumall is available here. Just click on activate. So this theme will be activated. Here you can see the theme is activated. Here it's saying begin installing plugins. So the sum of plugins are added and some of plugins are not added. So just begin installing plugins. So some of plugins are copied as I was copied into the dashboard, but some of plugins are required. So just click on all plugins and click on install. So within few minutes all the plugins will be installed. Here you can see all the plugins has been installed and activated. That these plugins are required for our theme. Now we are going to install the dummy content of our theme. So here if I click here and preview our website, so here you can see the page will be empty or there will be nothing. Here you can see there is unstructured data, and when we will install the dummy content, it will be fixed and everything will be in the proper manners. So now we go back and into our appearance and we are going to install the demo content of our WordPress website theme. There are some plugins are inactive, so we are going to activate the plugins. Here some of plugins were not activated, so just click here and activate these plugins as well as. Here you can see remaining plugins are also activated. So now all the plugins and theme has been activated. So now we can easily install our dummy content as well as here. If we click here and in the plugins, we can verify again if there any plugins is inactive, we can activate it. We have verified that this Hello Dolly and Inkesmith plugins that are not required to activate, so all other plugins are activated. So now we are going to install the demo content of our website and Edumall theme. So for installing demo content, you just need to go to inside code and just go down and click on import. So in this step, we are going to import demo data of our Edumall theme. It is saying your server does not meet the requirement. Maximum allocation limit is at least 150 C. Okay, so this is the important settings. So if you have WP config file, you can set the time limit is here. So I copy this and go back to my theme, go back to my WordPress and go to WP config. This is the basic setting. It may be you don't see this kind of error. So if I seeing this error, I will fix this now and go here. Just copy this and save this file, Ctrl+F(S) and refresh this. So it may be remove this error or not, but if this will not be removed, it's not a big issue. This is just warning. So this notice has been fixed. So now go back here and just click on import this demo. This step take few minutes, so be patient. Do not go around there. Just enjoy a cup of coffee and then go back to your website. So do not close your browser, do not disable internet, and do not close this tab. So after installing demo content, we will officially launch our website. Finally, after few minutes and waiting almost 10 minutes, our demo content has been installed. If you see this initialization, it means demo content has been installed. So if you go to your course page, here you can see there are some of kind of unwanted stuff. So we are going to now customize our theme and properly designing our website. So now we are going to customize our website, and I have shifted over my main domain. So this is same process. So here if I see the home page, on the home page there is demo content and become instructor as 2 times and the lot of unnecessary stuff. So first of all we need to customize our menu and then we can proceed next. So for customizing menu, just go to appearance and then click on menus, and for menus just click here and primary of canvas and primary. There are 3 menus, so minimal primary, just click here and select this one. So minimal primary is actually for the home page, so I am going to customize it. So first of all we don't need this demo content and demo links, so I will remove that. Here I'm going to remove that, this one and this one. Home page is this one, and just remove this one as well as this one. So this is just there, I want only become an instructor menu, so I will just click here and save changes. I refresh it, so in the home page I will see only become an instructor menu. Here you can see I have only one, become instructor, dashboard and logout page. Now we are going to customize our other pages menus. For example, if I click on into any category, so here I will see another menu, main menu. This menu was only for home page. So if I click on any inner page, here you can see this menu is another menu. So I am going to customize this menu as well as. So for customizing this menu, we are going to click here and click on primary menu and just select this. So here you will see there will be a lot of pages that we don't need, so we can remove them, or we can create a new menu for our these pages. So these all instead of removing these all items one by one, I suggest you create a new menu for other pages. So here you can see there are a lot of stuff that we don't need, so I am going to create a new menu for all other inner pages. So here just click on create menu, and here you can see there are some of customization that you can do that. Here I will select here, sorry, I will not select anything, I just write here primary menu for inner pages. Just I will click here and primary menu and just click on create menu. So this will be inner pages menu. For example, these pages menu, the menu has been created. So now I will add the menu items into my inner pages menu. So I will add some of pages. So I will click here view all, and I will add about us page, blog page, as well as become an instructor page, and because we need also contact us page. So I will add these pages into my menu. Here blog, about us, contact us and become an instructor, I will drag it here. So I will just click on save menu. When I will click save menu, these inner pages menu will be updated. Here I will refresh it. Here you can see there are menu is very beautiful layout, and blog, about us, contact us, become an instructor, and here are the categories as well as. Now we are going to change our logo. So for changing the logo, we just need go to appearance and then click on customize. Here for adding the logo, there after clicking on appearance, you can see here logo option. Just click here and click on the logo, remove this image and select your own logo image. For now we don't have any image for this website, so I will use this default image as logo. So and now I am going back and want to show some other options as well as. So if you want to change some changes into Topbar here, and here you can see Topbar. Here is the option for Topbar, so you can also make changes in the Topbar. You can also change the text appearing in the Topbar menu. If you can click here Topbar 1, so it will say that the information available in Topbar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 5 Topbars. So I will show you one Topbar, other you can see by yourself. So I will click on Topbar 1. In Topbar 1 you can see there are 2 columns and two columns they have phone number, and here you can see phone number and email. I will change this phone number and email as well as. For changing the phone number and email, I will just click on the items. For example, I want to change this number, so I will add my phone number here. Here I will also add this number here I will also change, and I also want to change as email here info, or I will say ztelenor at gmail.com. This is my email, so I just want to change this. So if you will click on publish, so this will change the top bar. So this was all for inner pages. Here this one is phone number and email. So I will if I refresh it, you will see the top bar information will be changed. Here you can see this is my phone number and this is my email. So this is how you can make changes on top bar and as well as in your header area. So now we have learned about top bar and header. Now we are going to customize our website actually. So I will cut this off, and we want to make changes on our home page. So I will go back to my home page and customize my home page first of all. Now you can see this is my home page, and now I want to make changes, or I want to add my own content. So I will just click on here, edit with Elementor. So I don't have my own content or text. I will copy Udemy text here to make possible changes. So I will open the Udemy and I will add my own I will copy these texts for example and paste here to make it more visible and more beautiful. Here you will see this error, so just click here, recreate kit. So when you will see this kind of error in your WordPress theme, you just need to create here regenerate files, sunrise memory and recreate kit. Just click here and save changes, so this error will be removed. So just refresh it now and you will see this error will not be here. Here you can see these are all texts are editable. So I will click here inside it, this one, and I will click here and just want to make changes here. I will just click on this pencil icon. This is Elementor page builder. You can easily edit anything into that. So here I will say start success with our website, or Udemy or Edemy, any website name that you have. So I will say here start with our website, or anything, any text that you want to add. Here I will click on this pencil icon, and here in the instead of 5,000 I will say unlimited, and here 48 instructors. So I will say from 1,000 instructors that we have. So this is how you can make changes in your text. So if you want to change this image, so just click on pencil icon and select your own image. So it will be changed. So here I will click here in the top categories. I will just click here, and here you can see some of categories are not opening. So just click on this item and I will select here one, and art and design, and just click here one, and business, and I will say data science, and I will say and data science and development, and I will say development to finance, and I would like to say finance, and then I will say health and fitness, and I will say health and fitness, lifestyle. I would like to say lifestyle, and I will say marketing, and I would like to say here you can see marketing, music, and here I will say personal development, and I would like to say is personal development, photography, and as well as this one, last one, teaching and academic. So here you can see now our categories are visible here. So this is how you can make changes and visible your categories here. Now we are going to this part. If you want to change this text, just click on this pencil icon. Studies are our viewing, so you can change this text as well as. So just click here, and see how the tabs are coming. So if you want to change these tabs, these are tabs actually. So there are courses tabs. There are some tabs are used into our courses, so you can make changes here. So if you want to change the tab titles, so you can just write here, I will change this tab title. So if I just paste here T, so it will be changed here. You can see T. So if I remove this, so default title will be there. So this is how you can make changes into this section. So if you want to make changes here, I can also make changes here. Also here I want to say right here, I will say I would like to say here, I will say, yeah, this one, copy this text and paste this text as it is, and this is how. And now this is testimonial. If you want to remove any testimonial text or anything, you just click on this cursor icon, that's it. And here I also don't want this text, as well as I am going to delete this. So here are some of pages. So if there is start teaching today, so here I want to link my become instructor page. So I will search here become an instructor. So here the become an instructor page will be here. So here you can see become an instructor page is here. So I am going to add this one here. So become an instructor page is now linked. So if you want to transfer your access into transaction, so here I will add student registration page. So I will search here student registration. So here you can see, okay, sorry, student registration. Here you can see this one, and I will update this. So now our home page is customized for the desktop version. So now I am going to make it possible for our mobile version. So if I click here and just click on this icon for mobile icon, so I can easily make changes on mobile. So here you can see in the mobile how it will looks like. So if I click here, these are very beautiful layout. If I want to make any changes, so I can also make changes into mobile layout. So this is already mobile responsive, so I am going back to the desktop version. So now you can see this is how we can customize it. So now we have updated the home page, and I am going to open this page. Now I will refresh this, and look like our page will be very beautiful customized. Here you can see we have some more pages and some more content is here. Yeah, this is very beautiful. Now we are going to customize our become an instructor page. So I will click here and added the become an instructor page. So in become an instructor page we have some of content that we need to remove and customize. So become an instructor is the page where you can an instructor can apply for the applications. So now I will customize it. For customizing it, I will just click here edit with Elementor. This is a process that I already told you for home page. So now we are going to change the instructor page. So here if I see here Udemy page, teach on Udemy. So if I copy the text from this page, so we can also use this as a dummy text. Here you can see these are some of things that we can change in the instructor page. So this is first of all become an instructor. So we can say become a teacher, become a teacher, or become an instructor. So I will say become a teacher or teach on on our website, anything that you want to write here. So here are, if I refresh it, I will copy this, so many reasons to start. So I will write here so many reasons to start here, and I don't want to this description, so I will remove this. So there are some points that are very beautiful. I will not remove that. If here I will click here, and if I want to change the text here, become an instructor text. So become an instructor text, if I for example plan your circumstances, I want to use this one. So how I can change? So first of all, become an instructor, I will write here plan your curriculum. So if I say plan your course, I will say plan your course. So here you will see this will be changed, but this text is now not yet changed. So how we can change these text? So for changing these text, we need to go back into the templates, and then we can change the text for these tabs. For changing these tabs, you go to template Elementor, and then click on templates, and then saved template. So here I want to search become an instructor tab. So in become an instructor tab, I want to add this text. So just go back, and here you can see I will go to the screenshot option. I will remove some things, and instant I will say here you can see now is the tab for become an instructor. I will to search start a course tab, start with course, start instructor rule, and here is the become an instructor tab. So become an instructor tab is on here, become an instructor tab. So I want to make changes here. So here I will click here and open with Elementor, and here I can change become an instructor. Here for now I will make click on update, so until this page open, so then you can see the changes that we have made in become an instructor page. Here you can see this is the become an instructor tab. So I don't need this. I will remove this because I don't need this, and here I will write the text that I have copied here. I will just copy this and paste here, paste here in the description. In the description I will write here. And how we can help you text, I will copy this text, and here I will add this text into this. How we can help you, I just click here this pencil icon, and I will click here in the description, copy this description and paste this. So if I want to change this image, I will click here into the inside the image. If I want to use this image, so I will just save this image and just save this image, and I just want to add this course image. So what is the name of this image? Let me search it. Plan your circumstances. So in the D drive I have this image. So I will not change this image. I think this image is looking beautiful, so I will just update this image, and then I refresh this page to show you the changes, because I have make changes into the tabs, but it will appear in this tabs area. Here you can see now we have selected the right tab for become an instructor. So in this way, if I want to change changes into tab instructor rules, so here is a tab for instructor rules that you can make changes just by following the step that we have followed for plan your course. So in this case, if I want to click, just simply click here, and here is this dashboard, and I just will click here and search for instructor registration. Instructor registration, and what instructor registration. So when someone will click here, so instructor registration page will be popped up. So this one is how you can make changes on become an instructor page. In the same way, you can make changes on about us and contact us page as well as. So now we are going to make changes on about us page. So I will click here on the about us page. In about us page, we can just simply click on edit with Elementor, and by clicking edit with Elementor, you will be able to make changes on your sections. As we have made changes on other pages, you can by following these steps, you can easily make changes on your all pages, for example about us and contact us. So for now this page is loading, and here is this is the text that you can easily change by clicking this improve lives or through learning. This one you can also make changes in backgrounds as well as in the sections. So this is how you can make changes into the pages. So Now lastly, we learn how to change the text or things into the footer. So here you can see this is a button, edit footer. So just click here for making changes on the footer. So if you click here, edit footer, here you will be able to see the footer area will be editable. So just click here. If you want to change the this image for footer, just click here pencil icon, and here you can upload your own image, as well as if you want to make changes on footer phone number, you can also make changes in this. As well as in the menus, just click here and there will be a list item. Here you can see these are list items, so you can also search for the page if do that you want to link. Here I search for about us. So if I search for about us, there will be about us pages, so I can easily link them. So this is how you can make links of your pages into footer, so as well as this privacy pages and copyright content. So this is how you can make changes into the footer. So this, if I update this, you can easily see the changes. So this is now finally we have made our website. So now we are going to test it. So go Control C this page, and I will go here and search for our website. Here you can see these are some of our pages: the login, sign up, and become an instructor. So if I click on become an instructor, and here will be become an instructor page, and I can easily apply for instructor. If I click here start teaching today, so there will be a pop-up for instructor sign up. So this is working fine. And if I go back into about us, contact us page, this will be very easy to understand. So this is how you can log in and make changes and become an instructor, as well as register your students and make your website. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and if you need this kind of website, you can contact me via WhatsApp. The information is given into my description.